Hey everybody, we got a no crank, no start Nissan Murano here. Basically found the battery low, put a charge on it, and after putting a charge on it, went ahead, we found that the dash would light up when you went key on. When we went to crank, the dash would go out and go dark on us, and it would not liven back up until we messed with the terminals. So we had a poor connection. It was actually happening inside this guy. This guy's pretty corroded in here, and if you look at the negative cable, you can see some dark spots here where it was arcing. If you've got a vehicle that does that, if it seems like it's got power, but when you go to crank, nothing, check for poor connections. What happens is you can push voltage through a bad connection, but you can't push amperage. So when it goes to crank, it goes open. Good luck with it.